Hi everyone, it's G Auntie's Kitchen. I got here 1 egg chocolate coffee cake. Very easy to make, pocket friendly, and very suitable for the times. To make 1 egg chocolate coffee cake, we need 1 egg, is at the center of it. Coffee powder, baking powder, and salt. 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, vegetable oil, cocoa powder. Okay, see this one better. Vanilla, sugar, the flour, and the milk. Start by sieving the flour, which I've sieved, baking powder, salt, and the cocoa powder. After I've sieved it, I'll mix everything together. It's 1 teaspoon of coffee. If you don't have coffee at home, you can buy these small sachets. It's just 1 teaspoon. Right now, I'm going to dissolve the coffee in hot water. This is 1/4 cup of hot water. Properly so that everything dissolves. In another bowl, break the egg and then you whisk it. If you like, you can combine the egg and oil at once, but I just want to see if it will be better if I whisk the egg. Add the oil, the vegetable oil. Mix together until it is well combined. When it is well combined, I'm going to add the sugar to it. Mix together. I am going to add the coffee to it. Give it a very good mix. I forgot to add the flavor to it. That's the vanilla. I should have added it with the coffee. I'm going to fold in half of the flour using a spatula. It's well mixed, so in goes the milk, all of the milk. So I'm going to carefully fold it in as well. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the last batch of flour, folding it in as well. It's well mixed together. I have already preheated the oven. I have greased the local pan I'm going to use, and I have this tray, baking tray at the bottom. If you want to know why I did that, check out the video on baking a cake with no oven, no mixer, and why you have to do this for pans like this. Meanwhile, I've already preheated the oven. Right now, I'm going to add some cocoa powder. I'm going to dust the greased pan with cocoa powder instead of flour. This helps to increase the chocolatey look, if I may say it that way. So I'm just going to dust it all around it. Shake it, and then it's ready to be put in the oven.